Hello everyone, I'm Ishan Srivastav and I'm here to give the final presentation for Officer Candidate Management System version 2.0. The video includes the shortcomings and wish list of the project. My team member is Hansni Said, the product owner is Tiago Moore, and instructors were Masood Sajjadi and Francisco R. Ortega. So let's start with the problem description. In the Officers Training Academy, there is always a problem of managing the candidates for training. It is a chaotic situation in handling the records, attendance, and shifts. This process consumes a lot of time, money, and efforts. Besides this, there is a risk of losing attendance sheets and the records of the candidates. Moreover, it sometimes includes duplicate data entries, which result in mismanagement. So we have a solution for it. The requirement of making Officer Candidate Management System version 2.0 is to reduce paperwork, which will save time and money. Moreover, it can eliminate duplicate data and fake attendance entries. It will improve visibility to track students' progress by involving them into activities. Also, it keeps track of staffs and candidates. These are 6 user stories that we did in the project. So let's start with the first. As a student or supervisor, I would like to register and log into the system so that I can enter into the system and can view my account. Second user story says that as a student or supervisor, I would like to view my profile retrieved from the database and uploaded a picture so that I can see it on my profile page. Whereas the third user story says that as a student, I would like to mark my attendance with name, date, time, and IP address so that the supervisor would know that I was present during training. Fourth user story says that as a supervisor, I would like to view the attendance with the name, date, time, and IP address of the students who were present so that I know who all attended the training. User story 5 is as a supervisor, I would like to create new events so that students can view and join the events. Also, I would like to view the list of students enrolled in the events. As a student, I would like to view the events and join them so that the supervisor will know that I have joined the particular event. So while making the project, we have 4 shortcomings, and these 4 are: first is not highly secure. The system is not that highly secure as it should be, so it is the one of the major concern and shortcoming, I would say, as anyone can easily track it, or I would say hack it, by using PHP SQL injection and things like that. But to overcome this, we can use like email notifications and forgot username password features so that its security becomes more, and it becomes more secure, in other words. So it's a major issue that we have. It has scalability issues. So not much of data it can store because we have limited size of data as it is not hosted yet. So to make it more scalable, we need to figure it out, or we need to make a new database for the system, or we can entirely change the language or the database system that we have used in this, and we can use other database instead of this one. We can replace it basically. Performance. So if the above 2 factors, security and scalability, is improved, the performance automatically gets improved. So if we change the software stack, or if we create a new same project, Officer Candidate Management System, using a new software stack, let's suppose mean stack, all these factors will be removed or will be overcome. And the last shortcoming that we have is hosting. We tried hosting this web application on AWS using AWS web servers, but Amazon Web Services, that is, but we were unfortunately not able to do it, and it's still in our backlog, and we try to do it in the next version so that it can be live and visible to all. So these all 4 were the major shortcomings of the project we made. Now let's talk about future work. The application can be launched for a mobile user. Let's suppose Android or iOS. We can create an app of the project, web application. It can be more attractive. It can have more attractive user interface. By using more like Bootstrap and things like that, we can even if we change the software stack to mean stack, it will become automatically a good interactive interface. Third future work we can work on would be Google Maps can be implemented to be better trace the location of the student. So if we use Google Maps, then it can improve the accuracy of the location of the student while he marks attendance. Fourth is attendance marked properly can be notified through email IDs or text messages to both users. So once they mark the attendance, we can get an email notification or text message that yes, you have marked your attendance. So it would be a new feature, and that is why included in future work. And as I already said, hosting the web application using AWS, that is Amazon Web Services. So all these things comes in the future. Now let me summarize the projects. Here's a summary. So this project is a second implementation, that is version 2.0. The project made it possible for students to mark their attendance, register for an event. The supervisor can view the attendance, create events, and view joined students for the event. So all these functionality is currently working within the system. And future work would be to use a feature through an app, and email notification can be sent to the user. These two can be the major future work. Thank you for watching.